Hi everyone, I have another review for you tonight, but first of all, I wanted to let you know that I am wearing Chantel, and I misspoke in my previous video. Chantel is not in SF1228. She is actually the Buttered Toast SF1026. I apologize because I wasn't wearing my reading glasses. I couldn't read it, so anyhow, one of my lovely subscribers pointed that out to me, so thank you so much. We're actually going to do an unboxing of Rosie, and she is an SF1228. So hopefully that was in the frame, and I did double check that. And I am in my basement bathroom tonight. I know the lighting isn't as good, but hopefully we can make it work. So let's take Rosie out of the box. And she is inside out. She is a basic cap construction, as you can see, felt at the top. The little ear tabs here, they are open ear tabs. And then she does have a small extended nape. So now we can compare. This is the Buttered Toast and this is honey. So to me, Buttered Toast is a little more of a ashy blonde, whereas the honey is more of the golden color. She's curlier than she looks. I will be sure that I include the stock photo for you. I didn't have the catalog. So when I come back, you know who's gonna be on my head. 1, 2, 3. Oh, this cap actually feels quite large, and it is an average. Well, she's kind of a cute style. So you can definitely see that the honey has a little more of the gold tones. So right off the bat, that's the first time that's probably happened. Mariah maybe had a little, I see a weft. Do you guys see that right there? So we'll have to play with that and figure that one out. And it might be because I think it's supposed to be a middle part, and like middle parts are not really my thing. All right, so let's do a 360 spin and see what she looks like out of the box. So this is my left side. Really cute curl pattern. I really don't want to lose that curl pattern. You see that? I hope I'm in the frame. And then the right side is a little scary out of the box, but there's definite potential here. I really like the length. And I think that we can make it work even if I move the part around. So for permatease, I feel permatease kind of pretty much the whole cap, but I think that I will be able to get a little lift out of her. So let's go ahead and work with her and see what we can get out of her. So we'll spritz her down good with water and scrunch up those curls. And then bend over, mess that up. Take your comb and try to work out that permatease. And I am working out the part because I prefer a side part on the left. Give a really good dousing of dry shampoo to get rid of that shine. I'm using BETH'S dry shampoo in both regular and beautiful brunette tinted. L'Oreal light brown root spray. Get in there and spray all over in various sections, not just in the part. I'm having a little trouble with that weft that wants to be exposed, so I'm just covering that with root spray. Okay, so she's cute. I love the curl pattern. So reminds me a lot of Mariah, but these curls just are not as tight as Mariah. It's just a really pretty looser wave, and I'm sure that it will come down more. She's still a little shiny, but with wear, just being out in the actual air, that will come out. But I can always do a little more dry shampoo. Usually I have to do it a couple times with the dry shampoo, and you can add more root spray. So there is a problem with her. This cap is very large, and I just wear an average, and it's really large. So over time that might stretch. So I do have a wig grip, but it might require me to wear bobby pins, which I've done before. And I've noticed that I think she might be a whisper light, and I will double check for you. The other problem is the wefting up here was exposed because I flipped the part to the side. And that's a little bit of a problem. I think if you had a light blonde wig, you wouldn't be able to conceal that. You can conceal it by spraying it with root spray, which is what I just did. But I think what I will do is get the medium brown. This is the light brown. So I think I'll get the medium brown root spray and do that, because I'm really loving this style. The fibers are super soft. I love the length for me, and I love the curl pattern. So I'm gonna live with that. It might bug me. Yeah, you can see. I mean, somebody's gonna have to be standing there, and will they know that's not my scalp? You know, they have to be invading your personal space, really. All right, so a couple styles. Obviously, she's longer. We can do a few things. So I have the tie-dye shirt that my daughter gave me. So, of course, tie-dye headband, Dollar Tree, you guys. So, oh my gosh. That's cute. So her bangs are nice because I can just kind of go like that and not have them hanging in my face. They're nice and short, and I like the bangs to cover those forehead wrinkles. So look how cute that is. You know, I feel like Madonna. Remember the Dress You Up video? Gonna dress you up with my love. Oh yeah, all over your body. Yeah. Didn't she have sort of like, I call it mall hair, the 80s mall hair? I think she had it up in the partial ponytail deal like that, which this is a good one for that. For channeling your inner material girl, your inner Madonna. Cute. So Rosie, my little sister is Rosie. Rosie, if you're watching, this is for you. All right, thanks again, everyone. If you are liking my content, don't forget to subscribe, press the notification bell. Thumbs up is always good. And leave me a comment. I love to hear your comments. I want to help. If you have any questions about the products that I use, I'm pretty much using the same stuff all the time, but you know that I get it at Walmart or we have Marshall's in my town. I get it at Marshall's. TJ Maxx, just a couple towns over. So I don't buy anything special or expensive. I don't think it's necessary. You know, water's your best friend with wigs, really and truthfully. And if you don't like permatease, you know, then you probably don't want Rosie. But for me, that's not a lot of permatease. I like that this doesn't really, you can just put her on, scrunch her up, move your bangs over, and I don't even need hairspray. I don't hairspray them if I don't have to. I don't want to get that in there and get the fibers all messed up. I want them to last as long as we can. You know what? She's really a comparable length to Reese. So my work ones are Charlie, Reese, I've worn Misha, I've worn Heidi. I can absolutely wear her and it's the same length, and you know, nobody's gonna really, they don't really pay attention anymore. Somebody said to me, do you kind of feel offended now that they don't compliment you all the time? Well, yeah, I kind of felt like I had to wear Mariah just so somebody would notice, because nobody ever notices. So yeah, she's super pretty, big head friendly, very big head friendly. But that's fine. Now that I put those bobby pins in, she's absolutely not going anywhere. Nowhere. So if I ever felt like she was, then I would just throw another bobby pin on the side right here and cover that up with hair. That's it. All right. Have a great night.